Are you wasting money on software when Excel could probably do the job? Let's take a look. Hi guys, Chris here. I am always surprised how much money companies spend on software and how little companies really harness Excel and Excel related automation tools. So in this video, I've got 7 examples of situations where companies often waste money and Excel would be a better alternative. Let's get into it. So if you're doing some kind of questionnaire, do you need specialist software to do that? Well, if your questions are relatively simple, you probably don't. Microsoft Forms is a cost-effective alternative. It's really easy to set up, to distribute, and the data accumulates just where we like it in Excel. We have a client in the B2B catering industry. Now they're collecting data on various aspects of the catering service, if you like, just rating things from 1 to 10, and they want to gather some data via free text answers too. Now, these types of questions are easily done with forms. If you wanted to do something more sophisticated, yes, specialist software might be the way to go, but usually forms gets the job done. Because the data automatically accumulates in Excel, it means we're in the Microsoft ecosystem, so it's relatively easy to trigger some kind of automated process from there. Now, in the case of our client, we use VBA to convert each one of those questionnaires, each one of those sets of responses into a PowerPoint presentation. And not only do we do that, we also convert language. So converting a European language into English, we do that using an Excel related tool. More on that later. Submission of timesheets and contractor pay calculation is something we've done many times over the years. So the basic pay calculation is fairly straightforward, but what about double pay? What about bank holidays and weekends? Well, all of those calculations are fairly easily done in Excel. I've included an example in the download file. The link is in the video description. Once you've got the Excel file in place, you can use Power Automate to make the magic happen. Share a form with your contractors for them to submit their hours. Then once they make a submission, use Excel to calculate their pay, including things like double time, and then Outlook to send them an acknowledgement email. Now this sounds difficult to set up, but it's relatively easy to do in Power Automate and could save you thousands on expensive software. So if this video has got you thinking, I've put links to our best automation videos in the video description below. And if you're looking for a whole Excel course for you, your colleagues, your family, we've got that too for free right here on YouTube. It's called 30-Day Excel Analyst. The link is below. Now, in my opinion, every business needs a good accounting system. We use one called QuickFile, which I do recommend. But what if you're just trying to replicate a single part of that whole accounting function? Do you want to spend money on a whole accounting system? Probably not. Let's take customer invoices, for example. You want to create them quickly and without stress, and you don't want to pay for software to do that. Well, Excel offers a cost-effective option. We created an invoice generation system for a customer in the US using Excel user forms. Now, the invoices are really easy to set up using the user form. The customer data is stored in the file, so it's instantly recalled via Excel VBA, and the invoices look good and they're in Excel, so they're fully customizable. So I'm not arguing Excel should act as a whole accounting system, but it can replicate a single function really well. The education sector is flooded with students' performance tracking products, but do schools really need them? I mean, they don't have much money anyway. Over the years, we've done dozens of projects for schools, colleges and universities focused on tracking students' performance. We've done them in Excel to get the analysis they need without a costly software subscription. Now, student performance data is usually straightforward. It's just numbers recorded in time intervals. We want to analyze those, hopefully to prove some kind of upward trend. But the specific thing that teachers and school managers struggle with is converting those numbers into grades, doing some kind of range, converting that range into a particular grade. So I've included in the download file, link in the video description below, a quick guide in Excel to how to do that. It could save your school thousands. Now, one thing our company spends way too much money on is email marketing. And yes, if you're sending emails to thousands of people, then expensive software is probably the only way to go. But if you're sending emails to hundreds or dozens of people, Excel automation is well worth considering and comes in at a fraction of the cost. Now, VBA in desktop Excel and Power Automate in the cloud, both of these will send emails for you. Yes, all you have to do is input the email addresses into Excel, set up the automation, and it can sit there doing the work for you every day, every week, even every hour. That's the power of Excel automation. We've used VBA to automate the sending of emails for one of our customers. Now, these guys are a commodities brokerage. So each morning they want to send what's called an indicative price to their customers, hopefully to start some kind of negotiation and to get them a sale. Now, an Excel model calculates that price, then using VBA and Outlook, we send that to all of their customers. This is a completely automated process. It's been running 7 or 8 years now, and it costs next to nothing. Now, I used to hate statistics. In fact, I almost failed my master's degree because I wasn't good at statistics. So how did I eventually learn? Yes, in Excel. Excel provides a really intuitive environment for learning statistics, and more importantly, it's the best place for basic statistical analysis. Yes, very sophisticated analyses will demand specialist software such as SPSS, but for the vast majority of tasks that most professionals are doing, Excel gives you more than enough. In the download file, I've included an exercise that might just make you fall in love with statistics in Excel. There's 3 data sets. Those data sets look the same, but actually they're not, and I prove it with a simple statistical analysis in Excel. Yes, for most stats jobs, Excel really is all you need. Remember the questionnaire project I told you about at the beginning of the video? Well, there's more to it than I initially mentioned, because our customer is collecting data in local languages. Yes, if you want to get people's honest feedback and honest opinions, you've got to ask them in their native language. But this poses a problem: how to get that information back into English so we can actually do some analysis on it. So yes, Google Translate is basically free, but we don't want to have to copy and paste every response into Google in order to get the analysis we need, and nor do we want to buy any expensive translation software. Now, this one really stretched my knowledge of Excel VBA, but the solution we came up with is efficient and elegant. Using VBA, we take that text, put it into Google Translate. VBA then takes the output, which is in English, puts it into that PowerPoint presentation. Then in the PowerPoint, you can see the local language and the English answers side by side. That's all done with Excel automation. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the YouTube comments. I'll get back to you there. The next Excel automation video is right here.